If you're wondering which of these accounting tools is the best fit for your growing business, stick around as we dive into what each software offers, and at the end, I'll share a better alternative you might want to consider. Let's kick things off with Sage 50 Cloud. This software has been around for years and is well known for its powerful desktop accounting capabilities combined with cloud functionality. Sage 50 Cloud offers a solid set of features, including advanced reporting, inventory management, and even job costing. It's great for businesses that need detailed financial tracking and aren't just looking for basic bookkeeping. However, one downside is its user interface. While it's functional, it's not the most intuitive for new users or small businesses just getting started with accounting software. It also lacks some modern features you'd expect in a cloud-native tool like seamless mobile access. Next thing, let's talk about Zoho Books. This software has gained popularity, particularly among small businesses and startups. It's cloud-based, offering a more modern feel than Sage 50 Cloud. The interface is clean and easy to navigate, making it a great option for businesses that are scaling quickly. Zoho Books offers solid accounting features like invoicing, expense tracking, and reporting. But one area where it falls short is with inventory management. It's not as advanced as Sage 50 Cloud in this area. Also, if you need to integrate with more third-party apps, Zoho Books may not be as flexible as some other tools on the market. Now, let's get into pricing. Sage 50 Cloud can be quite expensive, especially for smaller businesses or those just starting out. While the features are robust, it may not be worth the cost for businesses that are still growing and need something more affordable. On the other hand, Zoho Books is much more budget-friendly, making it appealing for startups and smaller businesses. With its more affordable plans, you can get access to most of the features you need for a fraction of the cost. The fourth thing to consider is customer support. Sage 50 Cloud generally provides more personalized support with options for phone assistance and dedicated support. This can be a big selling point if you have a complex business setup and need guidance. Zoho Books, while offering support via chat and email, doesn't provide the same level of one-on-one support, which can be frustrating if you're running into issues or need help with specific features. Another key difference is scalability. Sage 50 Cloud can be a bit more suited to larger businesses or those that need enterprise-level features like complex inventory management and advanced financial reporting. Zoho Books is definitely built with small businesses in mind, which means it's great if you're a startup or a medium-sized business looking to grow without needing all the bells and whistles. So, what's my final take? Both of these accounting tools have their strengths, but they also come with their own set of limitations. Sage 50 Cloud is great if you need powerful, detailed features and can handle the steeper price. Zoho Books, on the other hand, is an affordable, user-friendly solution for small businesses, but may not scale well for larger operations with complex needs. After trying both, I found that there's actually a better alternative for businesses looking to scale and manage their finances with ease. If you're looking for a comprehensive, scalable solution with a free trial, head to the first link in the description. Through our link, you'll get the best free trial and exclusive benefits that are only available to our viewers.